so we're going to go through the metric micrometer. So just like the imperial, I still have a range here. It's going to tell me how big this micrometer will actually be able to read to. So if I read over the 25, then I know I've measured something incorrectly. All the component names are still the same. I still have a lockout, I still have a sleeve, I still have a thimble, the ratchet, all those components are still the same. All it is that the numbers have changed and they are now metric, measuring in millimeters. So on the top of our sleeve here, we have our whole millimeters. So I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's 5 millimeters. The bottom here are representative of half a millimeters. So each one, it would be 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and it continues on as we go through. On the thimble here, they are represented as, this line here would be 0.30. So the process again is a little bit easier. So all I want to look at is where's my guideline, what number has been uncovered by the thimble. So if I look here, I can see a 10, I can see an 11 right beside it, and one of the half millimeters. So how I write this, again, put it in a process. So I have 11 millimeters, then I read the bottom line, which is half a millimeter, and then my guideline matches up exactly with the 30 on my thimble. So that is 0.30 millimeters. Now we add them together, and I have 11.80 millimeters. Now something you want to keep in mind is if this thimble is in between numbers. So let's say this guideline actually landed right here, in between 30 and 31. I can only guesstimate of where I've been, not where I'm going to. So if I read between them, I would still write the 30. I cannot, even if I'm closer to the 31, I still have to represent the 30 rather than the 31. I'm not there yet.